Hello there. So I wanted to do a video because there's something my husband and I have done with our kids that have really helped them in school. And it's helped to get them to the top of their classes and sometimes even into advanced classes. So one thing that we did, starting off early, like right when kindergarten started, but you can do this at any grade, any level, is taking their schoolwork that they bring back, do what we call a spot check. Just pick out words. What does this mean? What is math? What is science? And then sometimes the schools give you word lists like spelling. Like there's a spelling bee, so there's a spelling test at the end of the week. And they give it to the kids to, I guess, practice during the week. Pick out the words, ask them. Most of the time the kids do not know. They'll create their own definition or they'll go, I don't know. And you go, great, well, let's look it up. And then you look it up on your phone, on a computer. You give them the definition. Have them give some examples so that they really get, oh, that's what it means. So we found that it has made our kids calmer, made our kids not act out. So any kids that might act out, a lot of times it's because they haven't misunderstood. They don't get it. So take a couple minutes during dinner, right when they come home, when you pick them up from school, check words, clear it up with them, and you will find your kid behaving and actually succeeding more in school. So I hope you found this helpful. It was for us.